Hello traders, Nick Shaheen here looking at Nikola. Pretty controversial stock. Is it real? Is it fake? Don't care, don't know. Today's discussion is purely on the chart itself. So wherever we are right now has been in contention since here. It was a breakout. They held it. They are holding it. They tried to hold it. They kind of did. They are trying to hold it right now. So here's where the fight is coming. There is a move coming in the next, I'm going to estimate 7 days, probably at the most. The you know what is going to hit the fan. The buyers and the sellers are going to face each other and look each other in the eye and say, let's do it. And I'll tell you why. So if we can take a scratch pad to it, sorry about that. The chat room is open. By the way, there's a link to the chat room. We do this all day, every day, down in the description of the video. It's not free to be in the room, but it is free to try it out. The link will take you to a PayPal transaction for $0. So just need to verify that indeed it is a live person and not a troll trying to get in and disrupt 280, 290 people in there. Also, subscribe to this channel is free. So, okay, we have this line of contention where we are right now. We have this descending trend. So the range is tightening. It's coming into a point. Very soon, there's going to have to decide. Bad things, and I'm pointing down. Please don't say, oh my God, he said $4. I don't want to find out what's below this. That's the point. Bad things are going to happen. I don't know how much. I mean, they have a cluster of support here, but what I don't want to find out if I'm long. I definitely don't double down because this is a binary outcome. We don't know what's going to happen with it. So let me see if we can zoom in to find actionable lines. So we said the move is coming. Where from? All right, so this is an hour chart. So every candle is 1 hour. You can clearly see how the sellers are in charge, lower highs, lower lows. And there were attempts of holding a floor, and then they lose it. They try to hold the floor, and then they lose it. So we have to keep mentioning these floors because they become roofs on the way up. So here, they're holding again, so it's kind of like here. And they're bounced, and let's see what happens. So first things first, don't make another lower low. So for the thesis that it's the bulls are going to prevail, so we said it's tight, a move is coming. So if the thesis that the bulls are going to prevail and it's going to have a pop, then they need to hold progress. So 14.5, why lose it? And definitely not 14, because if 14 is lost, then it's going to continue on lower, and most likely the bears are going to prevail. So don't lose 14.5 for starters, which is basically today's low. Just below today's low. So by the way, today is 318. On the way up, you're going to find some resistance at 16.5 because there's a gap onto 17. So first line demarcation zone is at 16.5. If they can tackle that and get to above 17.4, then they can trigger some momentum buyers, because now they're making progress. They not only held support and higher lows, but now they're making progress. And look, they would start to visually look like they're snapping out of a descending channel. So not only the machines will pick up, but the humans will also pick up on that. So 17.5, I'm going to round, is also important. Then it gets into this cluster of resistance, because each of they tried to hold here, here, and here. Combine all of them, it's going to be resistance. If for whatever reason it gets to 22, I would get out. That's my opinion. So if I'm stuck long, I would use these pops to fix my trades. I don't get long to add to my investment, because I don't want to average down. And this is a purely trading strategy for me, and it's definitely not recommendations for anybody. I'm just sharing the lines that matter, in my opinion, on this chart. So first, hold the floor or make progress. So 14.5, why lose it first? Then you're going to find, by the way, this orange line, it's the point of control for this period of time. So middle of January, early January on, this is the place where they traded it the most volume-wise. So it's sticky. it should be support, but it's hard to snap out of it too. So job 1, hold, make progress. First line of 1650, 17.4 or more, 17.5 is good progress. And now you can sort of have some sort of a neckline you broke out, maybe shoot for 19 or 20, and then every dollar, for every penny from there is going to be a slog. But at least the bulls will be progressing, snapping out of this hideous downtrend. And they still have to contend with the business itself. But from a trading perspective, there is a fight coming, guaranteed. I guarantee you there's a move coming. The direction depends on who wants it more. So, oh great, it can go up and it can go down. Yeah, I don't see the future. I'm just telling you what lines will matter on the way up or on the way down. First line, don't lose 1450. Second line is 1650. You need to overcome that to close that little gap. And then when you get to 1740 or above, 1745, then you're making good progress and you may invite some extra buyers. That's it. Good luck with it, guys and gals.